Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page with a payment gateway. First, define your landing page's purpose and target audience. What do you want visitors to do? Next, craft a compelling call to action that guides users toward your desired outcome. Finally, select a robust platform for building your page, ensuring it supports integration with payment solutions. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful launch. Now, let's build your page. Focus on a clean, mobile-responsive design that looks great on any device. Your copy should be persuasive, clearly articulating the benefits of your product or service. Use strong headlines and bullet points to convey value quickly. Don't forget to include high-quality visuals like images or videos to capture attention and enhance engagement. A well-designed page keeps visitors interested. The next crucial step is integrating your payment gateway. Select a secure and reputable provider like Stripe or PayPal, known for their reliability and ease of use. Follow their instructions to seamlessly embed the payment form onto your landing page. It's vital to ensure all transaction processes are encrypted and secure, protecting your customers' sensitive information. Test the entire payment flow thoroughly before going live. Before launching, rigorous testing is essential. Test every element of your landing page, especially the payment process, on various devices and browsers. After launch, continuously monitor key performance indicators like conversion rates and bounce rates. Use this data and user feedback to make ongoing optimizations. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements, ensuring your landing page and payment gateway work perfectly together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.